What a week. A lot has happened in the last 7 days. And the biggest development, in my view, is a weakness in space names. You have Lunar, Rocket Lab, ASTS, all pulled back after huge moves. And that matters because we are heading directly into the SpaceX IPO. And this week may have been the market asking a very simple question. How much space hype is already priced in? SpaceX demand still appears strong, but valuation concerns are real. Morningstar reportedly values SpaceX around 750 to 780 billion, roughly half of the proposed IPO valuation. So this is not a clean everything space goes up setup. It's more complicated than that. In my view, space names can recover next week, but they need buyers to show up, is what I'm trying to get at. And if Lunar, Rocket Lab, and ASTS stabilize early in the week, the SpaceX IPO could reignite interest. That's probably what will happen. But if weakness continues, then this becomes a broader valuation reset, not just a pullback. The second major development was the chip sell-off. NVIDIA, AMD, Broadcom, TSM, and other AI names were hit hard. Broadcom's guidance shook confidence, not awful, but did. And yields moved higher, and the market punished the most crowded part of the bull market. So I don't think AI trend is dead, but this week was a reminder that great companies can still get overextended. And the third area I'm watching is healthcare and biotech. NVAX, CRISPR, NTLA, and TEVA. They remain important quiet bull names, but some of these stocks are volatile. But the rotation into healthcare still looks real to me. The market is searching for areas outside of AI where they can make some money. And they're looking for meaningful upside, and that is biotech. So here's the big picture. The Quiet Bull Index is still built around the same long-term themes: AI, space, nuclear, biotech, energy, and future infrastructure. But this week was not about blind optimism. This week was about discipline. So space stocks are no longer early and undiscovered. I think we all need to grasp that. AI is no longer cheap. Biotech still has upside, but it requires patience. And the market is starting to separate story from execution. So next week, I'm watching three things. Can space stocks recover ahead of the SpaceX IPO? And can AI stocks stabilize after the chip sell-off? And can healthcare continue to attract capital? That'll tell us a lot about whether this was just a shakeout or the start of a bigger rotation. This is what I'm saying. Think for yourself. Have a good day.